ice truck with meat from the storm will cause water to pond on roads and fill poor drainage areas. The rain can cause rapid rises of small streams and creeks. This storm will be near Pellets. Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Passaic County, northwestern Bergen County, Rockland County, southern Orange County until 7:15 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a thunderstorm 7 miles southwest of West Milford, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen and Passaic, and the following counties in New York, Orange and Rockland.